What do you think, guys? Feel pretty good. Probably need to sharpen the blades, definitely. Have some stragglers, but you know, we mulched that, and it was pretty thick, as you can tell. It's been raining over here in Houston the last couple of days, all weekend next, technically. But I mean, she handled that pretty good, and she mulched that. She didn't even side discharge that. I mean, it looks pretty good for a one pass mulching on something that thick, and you know, pretty saturated because it flooded over here. I think she did pretty good. I was having questions about the actual brake clutch. It was sounding a little weak, and it seemed like my blade was a little slow. It was like the engine would slow down when I would engage the actual blade. But someone said that that was natural because it has like a flywheel to add extra torque to it. So I don't know. I put the actual tactometer on there. You know, in idle, she's 3,200. When I engage the blade, she may drop down to like 26. You know, but I don't know if that was because of the thick grass or what the case may be. But you know, like I did that second pass once the grass was down, and I was just testing the actual transmission to see how fast she actually could move. She would idle, she would cut and idle at 2,900, which was pretty good. So I don't know if it was because of the grass and the thickness and just a lot of strain on the engine. I was thinking about switching out the actual carburetor on it because, like I said, I got this one used, and the guy said it was running, but I don't know how actually bad the carburetor is, but it ran. Just wait for this motorbike to go by. It ran, it sounded good, but you know, I have issues with the actual idle speed and the actual blade engagement. As far as the actual speed, it sounded a little low, but my other Hrx, it doesn't have that. It's just a steady. We'll keep it at 27, 2,800. So I guess if cutting it at 2,800, 2,700 is okay for that machine. It got to be good for this. But it, you know, when I let off the blade, it'll rev up to like 3,200, and then when I engage again, it'll drop down to 27, maybe 2,600. So, but I'm pretty satisfied. Like I said, looks good. She runs good. Definitely be a good backup and a good main extra mower for, you know, my son when he comes to help me. So I'm gonna leave it there and put it all together, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon.